Good evening, ji. I'm Krishna Kumar, Secretary School Education, Government of Punjab. Today I got this opportunity to share few initiatives which the Department of School Education has taken during the COVID-19 pandemic. As we all know, schools were badly affected due to this COVID-19. While the examination was still on, the department had to stop the schools altogether. But we were lucky in the sense that we could complete the examination of all non-board classes before the lockdown actually came into force. But unfortunately, the class 10th examination was still on, and there was only one examination which we could hold. The rest of the exams could not be held due to COVID-19. Similarly, for class 12th also, we could complete almost 70% of the examination. 70% of the subjects had already been undertaken, but 30% they are still remaining. 5th and 8th class, they were already complete by and large. After when the lockdown continued and we were under this, we were hoping that the things will become normal. Meanwhile, the department took the advice of the task force constituted by the government, and the task force recommended certain things to the department, particularly on the examinations. So we accordingly declared the results of class 5th, 8th and 10th also for the 12th examinations, because this is a very critical class in the life of a student. So we are still holding on, and we are still looking forward whether that the 30% examination which are yet to be held, they will be concluded very soon. I am very happy to share this news, this thing also, that despite COVID-19 and this lockdown, the teachers have done a great job even during these difficult circumstances. While the teachers were put on the duty on various other aspects, but they never ever left the education part behind. I'm happy to share that during this year, we have been able to register almost 10% increase in enrollment in the government schools. Now, this has all happened due to the various measures taken during the course of the year, but certainly the teachers and our school heads, principals, DOs, BPOs, all CSTs, STs, everybody had done a marvelous job, and 10% increase in enrollment in a single year, I must admit it is not a small thing. So I'm very happy to share this news with all of you. And at the same time, the teachers have taken initiatives to start the online classes. Now, as on date, there is hardly any class which is left out. We have been able to engage Doordarshan and Sunprabha channels. On these two channels, we have been able to provide the lectures to all the classes. The teachers had prepared the contents, and now the teachers are also giving the assignment to the students, and at the same time they are also checking the answer sheets through the WhatsApp and if the other social media. Undoubtedly, all the students don't have the mobile phones, smartphones. Yes, we do admit, but I'm happy to share that at around 70% of the students, they are able to manage at present. Now we have taken another initiative to which we have got a great response. We have started the trainings of the teachers on the IT and the e-contents. The teachers are taking it very, very seriously, and they are participating in these trainings. We have been able to build the capacity of our teachers, and I'm sure in the coming times, when the things become normal, this period of the COVID lockdown, it will help us a lot in improving our capacity and in improving the learning levels, and also improve the efficiency of the department. Thank you.